Once upon a time, there was this lost YouTube channel named Littletail Sans 1235. Unfortunately, one day, he had to take it down. It wasn't his proudest moment, but at least he wouldn't have 10,000 years of shame spread across him. Or maybe you got poked at for being famous or something? I don't know. But he then realized something. The power to reset. It's not something come across easy, but recently a tiny human named Frisk came into the underground and went through the underground and enjoyed themselves. Sure, even though everyone is a child in this AU, they did try to kill her a couple times. Or him. Or them. I don't know, the whole thing's screwy. But, luckily, she made it through. And he, or whatever it is, they made it through. And made a whole bunch of friends. But, they pressed the reset button. And now everything is brought back. Not all the videos, but some new ones too. Well, not two, because it's just the new ones. But, yes, it is true. This skeleton is coming back. Guess he's kept you waiting, huh?